Hi guys, if you are performing operation on two dependent records, so you must ensure that you have enabled the database transaction. So let's say you have a user and then you are creating a post for that user. So what if that user record is created but this post is not able to create due to some error? So this is very wrong. So it will save that user but not save this post. So how we can make sure that if this user is created and post is not created, so roll back this user too, right? So this is the standard. So how we can achieve this in the Laravel? So Laravel uses database transaction to make sure that if both are performed well, so then we need to save them into the database. So how we can do this in the Laravel? It's very simple. Here you need to write db, right? It's a db facade, and then you need to type here begin transaction, and after inside of this transaction you need to tell that where it should commit, right? So here you need to type db commit, right? db commit, and after that it will commit that. First it will start the transaction from here, whatever inside it will save them, and if it's reached till here successfully, so it will commit that out. If something is wrong, so we want to roll back here db and then roll back, right? So here we are seeing that to begin the transaction from here, like track the records from here, and if everything is gone good, commit this out. If something wrong during here or any of the place, roll back this data, right? And we need to add this db facade at the top. So let me add this illuminates slash sport slash facade slash db. Okay, just save this out, and okay, good. And if I go here and let's get refresh, and it's going to throw okay, it's saying user and post saved. And if I go here and let's say yes, that nazi is saved, and if I go to this post, it's also saved. Let me get refresh it one more time. Okay, why taking too long? Okay, it's loaded now. This one is our post and this one is our user, right? Both have been saved successfully. Now let's say I'm going to say that my user is created but post is, I'm going to do here a typo mistake, which is a foreign key, right? And here let me migrate fresh to remove the first saved data, right? Now data is cleaned, and if I go here and let's get refresh, so you can see this, it's throwing the error. And if I go here, so post isn't saved, and if I go to this user table, also user table is empty, right? Refresh, and yes, you can see this, there is no user. Even error is happened here, but user is also rolled back. If I correct this error, and when I'll save this user again here in this database, so it will starting from id of 2, not from 1, because 1 is rolled back. Refresh, data is saved, and if I go here, and yes, you can see this auto incrementing is starting from 2 because first one record is rolled back. And here you can see this, now it will also save the post. So by adding these small lines of code, you added functionality that it should only save the record if this between lines of code successful, so then it will commit this into the database, otherwise it will roll back that data. So this will save you from exceptions which can happen. So let's say you are fetching the post and you are not able to fetch this, so it will save a lot of things, right? So when you are performing the complex operation, this will be best suits you. So thank you so much for watching the video, and if you want to learn more videos something like this, so you can subscribe this channel and also share your feedback. Bye bye.